When the time comes to install high amperage electronics such as electric cooling fans, electric fuel pumps, or electric water pumps, using a relay is just plain safe and smart. Mr. Gasket's wiring harness and relay kits make easy work out of installing a relay, but most importantly, protect your electrical system and provide reliable and consistent power to your high amperage electronics. Simply put, a relay is an electronic switch that can handle higher current loads than a typical switch. The way a relay works, a small amount of electricity is used to move a big contact inside the relay that can handle a larger current. This allows you to mount your relay as close to the battery and component, providing the shortest electrical path. You can then run a small current wire back to your dashboard to a more practical low amp switch. This simplifies wiring and provides better performance without any voltage drops. And since they can slide together with a slot on the connector, you can attach multiple relays together for a clean wire installation. These kits include high quality heavy gauge wiring, a heavy duty 30 amp relay, a 30 amp circuit breaker, a pre-wired relay connector, crimp terminals, and hardware. Electric fan relay kits include a temperature switch for fully automatic operation. Thanks for watching. For more information on Mr. Gasket products, visit our website at mrgasket.com.